Hey, hi everyone. Good evening to all. So in my today's video, I'm going to explain about the various cognitive services provided by Microsoft. Okay, and also there is a need to migrate from this service to a single point store now. So what was happening before was Azure has provided various cognitive services like the QNA Maker, like text analytics, QNA Maker, and Louis language understanding integration services as separate services basically. But now they have come up with a model where they have combined all these into one service called the Azure Cognitive Service for Languages. So this is the one. So this is the Microsoft documentation page basically I'm referring, and yeah, this is what I'm going to explain over here. Okay, so in my application I was making use of a chatbot which was making use of Azure QNA Maker. Okay, but now QNA Maker will be decommissioned on year 2025, and October 10 onwards, October 10 2022 onwards, I think Azure will not allow you to create any QNA Maker instances. So provided this information, it would be good if we migrate or upgrade to this new service called Azure Cognitive Service for Language. So what it says, Azure Cognitive Service for Language is a cloud-based service that provides natural language processing features for understanding, analyzing text. Use this service to help build intelligent applications using the web-based language studio, REST APIs, and client libraries. So we will be mostly interested in these REST APIs in order to build our AI powered applications basically. So this language service unifies text analytics, Q&A Maker, and Louis. Just concentrate on this statement, guys. These three services will be unified into one service and provide several new features as well. These features can be either pre-configured, that is comes with automatically configured for us, which means the AI models that the feature uses are not customizable. You just send your data and use the features output in your application. Okay, and second option is customizable, which many people will prefer, which means you will train an AI model using our tools to fit your data specifically. So migrate from text analytics, Q&A Maker, or language understanding. Yes, Azure Cognitive Services for Language unifies three individual language services in cognitive services. Okay, that is text analytics, Q&A Maker, and language understanding Louis. If you have been using these three services, you can easily migrate to the new Azure Cognitive Service for Language. Okay, and the documentation also provides you the instructions on how to migrate to this new service basically. Okay, so you people can go through that. Sorry, yeah. So what are the available features, guys? You people can go through the detailed documentation what all this. So named entity recognition. So what this does, this pre-configured feature identifies entities in text across several predefined categories. Okay, so basically, if you provide a text or a document, it does the recognition of named entities in your document. Okay, that is the feature basically they give. And apart from that, what else is there? So personally identifiable information detection. This pre-configured feature identifies entities in text across several predefined categories of sensitive information, such as account information. Key phrase extraction. Yes, this is also a good feature basically. What it does, it evaluates unstructured text and for each input document returns a list of key phrases and main points in the text. Entity linking. Okay, so what it does, this feature disambiguates the identity of an entity found in text and provides links to the entity on Wikipedia if available. That's good basically. Text analytics for health. Oh, this is also one good feature, guys. From the healthcare point of view, this pre-configured feature extracts information from unstructured medical texts such as clinical notes and doctor's notes. See, okay, and custom NER build an AI model to extract custom entity categories using unstructured text that you provide. Analyze sentiment and opinions. Okay, this pre-configured feature provides a sentiment labels such as negative, neutral, positive for sentences and documents. This feature can additionally provide granular information about the opinions related to words that appear in the text, such as attributes of products or services. Language detection, automatically it will detect the language provided you supply the text for this service. Custom text classification, text summarization, conversational language understanding, build an AI model to bring the ability to understand actual language into apps, bots, and IoT devices. Question answering, most important thing that what I was using is QNA Maker. So this pre-configured feature provides answers to questions extracted from text input using semi-structured content such as FAQ, manuals, and documents. I think orchestration workflow, one more good feature it seems. So there are tutorials provided, and you can go through it in order to upgrade from these individual services to this integrated one service now. They are also given the code samples for us. We can go through the code samples and yeah, make use of that. So let's see what's there in the C sharp. Okay, it's taking us to the GitHub page basically. Okay. I hope you people understood the significance of this tech upgrade, or I can say the migration. Okay, so please do consider this as a priority if you are making use of QNA makers. Okay, and also you can see that the QNA maker service is being retired as I already explained on 31st March of 2025. Okay, so now onwards you will not be able to create any QNA maker instances. So it would be good if you migrate to this new service and make use of the new features available. So I have migrated mine, and yeah, it's pretty cool basically. So I hope you understood the significance of this topic today, and yeah, I hope you will make use of it. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.